Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to switch from AT&T to T-Mobile using Easy Switch in T-Life step-by-step guide. To switch from AT&T to T-Mobile using the Easy Switch feature inside the T-Life app, formerly the T-Mobile app, download the app, choose your plan and activate your new line via eSIM without cancelling your AT&T service beforehand. Checklist before you begin. Do not cancel your AT&T service yet. Your line must remain active to transfer your number. Collect the following details from AT&T. AT&T account number found on your bill, number transfer pin. Request this by dialing star PORT star from your AT&T phone. Device unlock status. Ensure your current AT&T phone is fully paid off and unlocked to accept a T-Mobile SIM. First, find AT&T account number and billing address. Option A inside the My AT&T app. Open the My AT&T app and sign in, then tap account icon at the bottom of the screen. Look right under your name at the top. Your 9-digit account number is displayed there. Then scroll down and tap Bill and Payments to see your official billing address listed on the screen. Option B from a PDF bill. Download or open your latest AT&T PDF bill statement. Look at the top right corner of the very first page. Then your account number is printed clearly at the top. Your official billing address is printed right next to your name under the mailing section. Next, get your number transfer pin. Note, do not use your everyday account password. This is special temporary 6-digit security code that remains valid for exactly 4 days. Option A, the fast speed dial code, easiest. Open your phone app and dial star PORT or star 7678 from your AT&T device. Then press call. Now enter your standard 4-digit account security passcode when prompted and press 1 to request a new transfer PIN. AT&T will instantly text you your temporary 6-digit number transfer PIN. Option B, inside the My AT&T app. Open the app and tap your profile icon. Now go to Manage Profile, then go to People and Permissions. From there, select Transfer Phone Number and tap Request a New PIN and copy the code displayed on your screen. Next, check and request AT&T device unlock status. Now, how to check the status on your phone? On your iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then About. Now scroll down to Carrier Lock. If it says no SIM restrictions, your phone is unlocked. For Android, go to Settings, then Connections, then More Connection Settings, then go to Network Unlock. Requirements to unlock from AT&T. The device must be fully paid off. The account must be in good standing. The device must have been active on AT&T for at least 60 days. How to unlock? Go to att.com on a web browser and log in. From there, select Unlock your device. Enter your phone number and IMEI. Dial star hash 06 hash to find it. Then submit the form and click the confirmation link sent to your email within 24 hours. Wait for AT&T's approval email. Usually takes a few minutes but can take up to 48 hours. Check eSIM compatibility. To check the compatibility on iPhone, iPhone XS, XR, or newer models support eSIM. Note, US iPhone 14 models and newer only use eSIM. Android, Samsung Galaxy S20/Note 20 or newer, and Google Pixel 4 or newer generally supported eSIM. During the switch, the T-Life app will automatically scan your phone's hardware at the beginning of the process. If it detects that your phone lacks eSIM capability, the app will halt the process and prompt you to order a physical T-Mobile SIM card instead. Step-by-step easy switch guide. Step 1. Download and open T-Life. Search for T-Life in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and download it. Then search for T-Life, formerly T-Mobile Tuesdays, T-Mobile Internet, and download and open the application. Step 2. Verify your device and carrier. No need to log in, or you can tap Login as guest. Tap Start Your Switch. That app will automatically check if your phone is compatible with the T-Mobile 5G network. Then select AT&T as your current carrier. Step 3. Log into AT&T. Enter your AT&T user credential directly into the secure prompt. This allows T-Life to safely pull your account information and confirm your eligibility, such as name, billing address, and zip code, billing details, and line. Step 4. Select your plan and line option. Compare and choose your new T-Mobile plan. Select whether you want to bring your own device, BYOD, or buy a new phone. Confirm that you want to keep the number. Step 5. Provide porting details. Input your AT&T account number and the number transfer PIN you secured earlier. Then create your new T-Mobile account PIN. Step 6. Activate service via eSIM. Follow the on-screen prompts to download your new T-Mobile eSIM directly to your device. Then once the eSIM profile installs, your phone will register on the T-Mobile network. Your AT&T line will automatically cancel once the number porting process completes. Usually it takes less than an hour, but can take up to 24 hours too. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.